Want to make bone-chilling horror videos using just a bit of AI magic?
Hadn't moved her hand. She stumbled back, but the reflection stepped forward, pressing its palm against the glass. A crack ran down the mirror, though the reflection's face didn't distort. Instead, it leaned closer, lips curling into a jagged smile.
In today's video, I'll show you how to create terrifyingly engaging scary stories using CapCut Editor and free AI tools, even if you've never edited before. Let's get started. First, go to your browser and open ChatGPT. There, type a simple prompt like, "Write a scary short story about a cursed mirror." ChatGPT will instantly generate a horror story for you. You can customize it however you like. Once the story is ready, now convert that story into a voiceover. I use 11 Labs. It generates high-quality narration in creepy tones. Just paste your script, choose a haunting voice, and download the audio. Now ask ChatGPT to extract the key prompts or scenes. These are short phrases that describe each part of the story. Now go to Leonardo AI or any AI image generator of your choice. Click on Get Started and log in with your account for free. Paste each of the prompts, and it will generate visuals or scenes for your story. You can also edit or customize the images according to your need. Do this procedure for all the prompts. Here, it has generated all the images that match each scene in my story. Now download all these images. Then, to convert these images into videos, we have to use the Video AI. Go to Video AI. And then go to Features. Go to Video section and then select Image to Video. This interface will be shown on your screen. Here we'll insert the images we created from Leonardo AI. You can also give the prompt to customize image movement. Then we can download the video clips it generated for each image from here. Do this procedure for all the prompts. Now it's time to bring everything to life using CapCut. Start a new project and import your AI-generated voiceover and visuals. Add the audio as the base, and then adjust the video clips according to the voiceover.
Maya found the mirror at a dusty thrift shop on the edge of town. Its frame was carved with strange symbols.
Let me fast forward it.
She hadn't moved her hand. She saw back, but the reflections stepped forward, pressing its palm again. Against the glass, a crack ran down there, though the reflection's face didn't distort. Instead, it leaned closer, lips curling into a jagged smile. Maya tried to run, but the lights were out. To turn the mirror was whole again. Only this time the room was empty. Her reflection smiled alone. Empty. Her reflection smiled alone, waiting for the next cure. Next cure is solved to hang the cursed mirror on their wall.
Okay, so now, add creepy music from CapCut's audio library. Search horror, ambient, or drone.
Maya found the mirror at a dusty dusty thrift shop on the edge of town. Its frame was carved with strange symbols.
This one looks good. Then use CapCut's auto captions feature for subtitles. Horror fans love to read along. Go to Captions and then click on Auto Captions, then Generate.
Maya found the mirror at a dusty thrift shop on the edge of town.
It looks cool. CapCut makes it super easy to add cinematic horror transitions. Search Horror in Effects tab and try these. Glitch and zoom blur between scenes. Flash cuts to simulate a jump scare.
Maya found the mirror at a dusty thrift shop on the edge of town.
Overlay effects like flickering lights, blood splatter, or fog. Also, we can use sound effects to make the scenes more interesting and haunted.
When she looked too long, the shopkeeper refused payment, only whispering, "It already belongs to you." That night, Maya hung in her bedroom. At first, it seemed ordinary, until she noticed her reflection didn't quite match. When she smiled, the reflection's grin was just... Instead, it leaned closer, lips calmer, and a giant snap. Eyes flickered out. She heard a sharp snap, like glass shattering. She heard a sharp snap. Then silence.
Once you're done, export your video in 4K. If you're posting to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, use a 9:16 aspect ratio, otherwise use 16:9 aspect ratio. And that's it. A scary story made with AI and edited with CapCut. No fancy gear, no crew, just creativity and the right tools. Let's take a look at the story.
Maya found the mirror at a dusty thrift shop on the edge of town. Its frame was carved with strange symbols that seemed to twist when she looked too long. The shopkeeper refused payment, only whispering, "It already belongs to you." That night, Maya hung it in her bedroom. At first, it seemed ordinary, until she noticed her reflection didn't quite match. When she smiled, the reflection's grin was just a little too wide. When she blinked, the reflection's eyes stayed open. She told herself it was just her imagination. But then, one night, the reflection waved. Maya froze. She hadn't moved her hand. She stumbled back, but the reflection stepped forward, pressing its palm against the glass. A crack ran down the mirror, though the reflection's face didn't distort. Instead, it leaned closer, lips curling into a giant smile. Maya tried to run, but the lights flickered out. She heard a sharp snap, like glass shattering. Then silence. When the lights returned, the mirror was whole again. Only this time the room was empty. Her reflection smiled, alone, waiting for the next curious soul to hang the cursed mirror on their wall.
Creepy, right? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite horror twist.